you're back to another video. So today I am so excited. Look at my beautiful backdrop and my Christmas tree. But we are going to be doing a Thanksgiving eyeshadow look because I just think, this year's been messed up and we need a little bit of like energy, some good energy, Thanksgiving energy, Black Friday energy, Christmas energy. So today I'm going to bring you guys a look that you can do for Thanksgiving. And yeah, let's get on with the video. Alrighty, so I already did my base, and actually if you guys want to see that like transformation, I actually did a TikTok video on it. My TikTok is at SophieXGrace. But yeah, let's get on with the eyes. So for eyeshadow, I'm starting off with the Jock & Hill palette, the first version. I just see this as very like warm tone, Thanksgiving-y. How do you even say that? I don't know, but I'm going for that kind of warm look, so that's what we're going to use. So with a fluffy brush, I'm going to go into this lovely transition shade right here. I do not know the names. I don't have the sheet still, so oops. And I'm just going to lightly dust that into my crease. Alrighty, so now that I got that blended into my eye, it's also kind of like in the crease and on my eyelid a little bit. I am then going to go in with this shade right here, right under the one we just took. It's just a little bit of a darker brown color. And I'm going to put that on my outer corner and a little bit into the crease. So we're just going to lightly dust that, give this some dimension. We're going to kind of buff it into that crease, but not all the way up with the other eyeshadow, just so we can create that beautiful blend and that there's no harsh lines. Beautiful. Alright, so now that we've got that done, we're going to add more depth, and I'm going to go into this shade right here. It's a brown with a little bit of red in it, which is going to be beautiful on our eye. And I'm going to, again, add more dimension. So just lightly dusting that on the outer corner and lightly bringing it to blend with the other colors. Very lightly. That is beautiful. Alright, so now we're going to add that definition and that smokiness. So I'm going to change my brush, and I'm going to go into a thinner brush. So I'm just going to go in with this thinner brush like I talked about earlier. It's more of a flat brush, and I'm going to go into this very, very dark brown right here, and then after that we're going to go into that shade. But first, let's go into this shade. And I'm going to go very close to my waterline on the outer edge, and I'm going to lightly smoke that upwards. Very, very lightly. Just right into that outer edge, creating that line. Now we're going to go in with almost black. I'm not going to use black in this look. I think it just looks messy when you're trying to do something like this. So we're going to actually go in with this shade right next to the black. It is a black brown color. So it's brown, but it's almost black, and it's going to look beautiful on this eye. So again, we're going to do the same thing that we did with that dark shade that we just took in, but we're going to very lightly go into this. Right on the waterline. Kind of creating an eyeliner look without actually using eyeliner. Blending it up and creating that sharper edge. Beautiful. I gotta stop saying that. Awesome. So now whatever is left on your brush, we're gonna literally just drag that to our lower lash line. Beautiful. Amazing. She's talented. She's a queen. Perfect. Alright, so now that we've got that all done, we got the base of it all done, we're going to add some sparkle, some glitter, some pizzazz. What the heck was that? So I'm going to do two things. So I'm going to start off with going into not a gold yet. We're going to go into this shade right here. This is a shimmer, and with my finger, yes, my finger, I'm going to go in with that, And we're not cutting the crease because I don't want it to look like a... We are going to cut the crease, never mind. Alright, so now that I'm done with that, I'm actually going to cut my crease. I'm going to do it off camera, but I will tell you guys what I'm going to use. I'm going to use this Hard Candy Camouflage Heavy Duty Concealer. And I'm going to go in with a very, very, very flat, small, tiny brush. It's already got concealer on it. And I'm going to just cut the crease. With a tip, if you have so much on your eyelid that you can, like, feel like it's just going to pick up the color, you can take a Q-tip with some makeup remover and just kind of like detail that out so that it's clean. You don't have to do that unless you're doing like kind of like bright colors. So I'm not going to worry about that, but I'm going to go ahead and do this off camera. Okay, so I just got that done. As you guys can see, it looks very, 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 very wonky. So when you're done with cutting crease, take some setting powder and just set that that concealer, because if you don't, it's going to be very hard to work with. So I'll be back. Perfect. So now that that is all set, we can start with the fun stuff. Okay, so I'm going to start with this shimmer right here in the palette. I'm going to go in with actually my finger. I'm going to apply that right to where our concealer is. We're going to add glitter on top of this too, but this is just the base. Alright, now that we've got that done, I'm going to now go into the literal gold shade in this palette, and I am going to, again, apply that with my finger. Tapping motions work the best if you don't want to get fallout, just so you guys know. Alright, so now for the glitter part, I'm going to go in with the Frozen palette, the Frozen 2 palette by ColourPop, and we're going to, of course, use that glitter gold that's right in the middle. I recommend either using a brush or your finger and tap it on, because if you drag it, girl, you're going to get glitter everywhere, and it's going to be bad. So for the brush I'm going to use is going to be this round top, like, dense brush. It's going to go in with it, picking up that beautiful glitter and tapping it on my eyes. Perfect. Yeah, that's the majority of the eyes. I'm gonna do some mascara, fix my hair, put on some lipstick, and I will be back with you guys when I'm fully complete. Alrighty, y'all, I am doing this vlog style, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and comment down below what other videos you guys would like to see from me. And yeah, happy Thanksgiving, and bye guys.